Hi, here are a few tips and tricks that might help you with viewing radiographs in the new Dentrix imaging software. So when you open a patient's chart, it's going to look like this. You'll just double click in the black space, and then this screen is going to come up and you'll click OK. And then there's a few ways to sort the images. So if you click on the intraoral x-ray, it's going to pull up all of the x-rays that have been taken in the place where the tooth numbers are assigned. And that's going to be confusing because you can see, for example, this set of x-rays was taken a different time. The bite wings here were taken more recently than this full mouth series that's listed here. So the easiest thing to do is click narrow down the results. And then I would find the most recent set of x-rays and click off this box, all since that day. And then go ahead and close out. And now you can see that you have your most recent set of x-rays. Then you probably want to turn on the image enhancement for these. So you can click on the x-ray, and if you hit this button, it's going to enhance that film. And then you can go ahead and click on each of the films and enhance them. Looks like these have been turned on already for some. But you'll see as you advance through the films, if this is the gold color, then the enhancement's already been put on. If not, like you can see this one isn't. So when I click that button, it does enhance that film. And so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on for all of these films. And that'll just make it a little bit easier to see when I go to evaluate the x-rays. There are some other tools in this section. If you come here, probably what you would want the most, well, you can come here and you can see I can adjust the contrast, the brightness on the film as well. Then if I come to this button under tools, there are some other options here also. So for example, the invert, if you come here, it's going to turn this way. There's a zoom option. You might want to look at a contact really closely, so you can hit the zoom. And that's probably the ones that you would want on that screen. You want to see the film a little bit bigger, then you can just hit here and then maximize the screen. And that is still on the zoom option and showing you those contacts. And then you can toggle through the films this way to look at them on a larger screen. From this screen, if you click this little wheel and then turn on use modality view, you can come here. We're now going to narrow down the results again. And you can hit this zoom in. I think this would be the best way to show x-rays to the doctor as he's doing an exam. So as you zoom in, you then can take your cursor and you can go as zoomed in as you'd like, and then you can advance through the series. So you can show, the x-ray that they're looking at the time that they are reviewing those images. If you're in this screen and you see the image is not enhanced, here's another option in the tool screen. If you come here and enhance the entire image, that will change it as well. If you see images pop up and they have this to button, that means there is another image that was taken that day, and it's showing you, for example, the retake film or the prior film. So you can see that was probably the retake image with the big cone cut, and that's the fixed film. Okay, if I've mismounted a film, which this isn't, but if it were mismounted, I could just double click that film. And let's say this was supposed to be my central x-rays. I would just toggle off these teeth, choose the teeth that it was supposed to view, the assigned teeth, and now you can see I have two images in that spot instead of the one. But that isn't what I wanted to do. So I'm going to go back to that image and hit the edit button and put it back where it was. And I'm just selecting the teeth that it is showing. And then make sure that you do hit the assign teeth button so it will save your changes. And then once you assign the teeth back to the images or the teeth that it should be selected on, it's going to show back in that space. So if you took them out of order, you just need to double click the film, hit the edit button, toggle off the tooth numbers that it is not showing the teeth for, and then toggle on the teeth numbers that it is. Then if you want it to be a bite wing, you'll just select this box for a bite wing and then finish always with this assign teeth. And then just a few options in this screen you might want to be aware of. If you select the date, which is this one, it will show you all of the images within the range that you select. So maybe you only want to know what was taken in the last 6 months. It will show you those. Or maybe you want to see images that were taken with DEXIS. So you can hit this drop down and see if there were any images taken with DEXIS. Probably I would just leave it on all so we can see all of those images. I hope this was helpful just to make viewing images a little bit easier. And thanks for being flexible with this change.